Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites. Level 40, the prior questline finished and the Skyforge unlocked. Once that is done, head straight to the Skyforge at X, 322Y, 118 and initiate the ritual prompt. While you travel, farm 10 storm shards, 3 lightning cores, and 5 arc runes from storm elementals and lightning chests. Prioritize shards first because they gate progression. Make sure to carry a lightning-resistant potion and equip a theft-proof satchel, so you don't lose materials while starting the lance creation. You now follow the action sequence. Activate the 3 sky anchors in the specified order, north, east, then central, because anchor order stabilizes the lightning flow. Once an anchor glows, the anchor guardian spawns. Interrupt its charged slam every 12 seconds to prevent a full channel wipe that destroys your materials. After each guardian falls, return to the anvil and forge incrementally. Combine storm shards with 1 lightning core, then add 2 arc runes for stability. This staged forging reduces failure chances, and you complete the lance by performing the final infusion during thundering weather. The elemental alignment is required to bind the charge, so wait or trigger a storm with the Stormcaller item. Once bound, equip the lightning lance and test it on the training dummy to confirm damage, stagger, and secondary shock procs. If the forge fails, go to the forge recovery menu immediately to reclaim 50% of your materials. Then repeat the anchor sequence with the recovered items. That recovery tip saves time and prevents complete loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.